In this tutorial, I want to share with you how to design simple logos using the Canva website. It's a very popular website that we have used recently. In some of my videos, I've been using it to design my content such as thumbnails and posters and the likes. You can use Canva as well to design logos for your content, for your website, for your YouTube channel, for anything, maybe your Facebook or anything. So you can specify the dimension. So to start with, you just need to come to your browser and just type canva.com, and you can see it over here. So you can just log in first. You can use your Google to log in. For example, I'm using my account to log in. If you don't have a Google account, you can use it to you can sign up for one. It's very easy. All right, so once you are on your Canva website, you can come all the way and search for logos. Okay, so you search for logos and you can see it came out with different kind of logo. Is it food logo, gaming logo, school logo, normal logo, or the Twitch logo? So each and every one of them has its own dimension. If you don't know the exact dimension, you can come all the way and design or customize the dimension from here, or you can click on it and then you can customize it while you're working. So let's say we are going with 500 by 500 logo. We just click on this. And one good thing with Canva is you can have a bunch of sample logos that you can easily edit to your content to serve it according to your content or what you want to do. So you can check out different designs. You can see them. Some are paid and some are free. You can actually kind of filter them according to the price. You can just say free. You just want to see the free versions, and you can see quite a lot of them that are free. So you can just select anyone and edit according to your content. Okay, so whatever you want to do, so you can just select and you can use it to design your content. So for example, we can go with this and you can see the dimension and everything, and then you can see the sizing, the way it is being designed. This has about 4 different designs. This particular one has 4 different designs. This is the first one, this is the first design, this is the second design, and then this is the third design, this is the fourth one. So depending on your message, what message do you have and which one of them do you think can depict exactly the content that you have. For example, this one, you can simply double click and change quite a lot of them. So for example, you can change this to maybe epic. Okay, you can make it epic, and you can put mentorship from here, and you can just resize. All right, you can resize, you can select all and play around with the sizing over here. You can decrease the sizing so that it can fit in the content, and you can move around. This little slash, you can play around with it also. You can increase or decrease the size accordingly from the edges, and you can bring it over here to kind of fit in over here. And you can change the coloration of all. You can just select them, hold shift key, and you can change the color directly. For example, we may want it to be something like red or something like white, but then we have to change the background color. If you select the background, you can come over here and change the coloration to maybe green, and you can see it coming out. This cosmetics, you can double click on it and change it to glaring ideas. Okay, you can select all, reduce the sizing, you can move it to any point, and then you can change the coloration to maybe white. Right, so you can see it coming out peacefully. All right, so you can, if you like, you can play around with this. You can change the color of this little strike. You can change it from black to maybe something like yellow, and you can see it's coming out clearly. Epic mentorship. Okay, glaring ideas. So you can bring in images or any kind of element to put in so that it can depict the whole logo to make it kind of perfect. So to do that, all you need to do, you can come to elements and you can check from the list of things that you have over here. There are quite a lot of things. Graphics, you can check a lot of graphics that you want. You can see all from here if you want. All right, so right now maybe you may want to bring in 1 or 2 flowers. So let's say we want to bring in some of these leaves. So let's say we bring in this one, and you can see it coming in. So you can easily bring it in, rotate it a little bit so that it fits to our content. You can select it. You can change the coloration, maybe from green to something like yellow, and you can see it's coming out. Right, so you can select this whole thing and shift it a bit backward so that it can fit in the content, and you can see it's now coming out clearly. So this is basically how to design logos. You can come over here and change these ones as well, or you can go back to the templates and check around if you are starting with this, or you can check from the existing ones. You can see a bunch of them. You can check from anyone and edit according to your content. You can even upload an image in cases when you don't want to put in this image. If you have your own logo designed, or maybe you have an image that you want to put in to go with this, you can easily come to upload, and you can upload, click on upload, and then you can navigate to wherever you have that particular picture, and then you can easily upload it. So for example, I have this one. You can just select it and just bring it in, and you can see it has just uploaded it. So you can just easily drag and drop it over here, and you can resize it, and then you can play around with it. But I don't want it like this. I think I prefer this one. And once you are done with everything, you're starting with the coloration. If you want to change the background color, you can come to these three dots, and you can see background over here. You just click on this, and you can see multiple backgrounds. Okay, depending on what color you want to target, you can easily apply any kind of background to your content. So for example, let's say we are going with something like this, and you can see everything changed. If you want to go with something like this one, you can see you can just select accordingly and just choose the one that you think is going to fit in the best one to your content. So for example, this one, yeah, I think this kind of looks cool, so we can go with this. So once you're done editing, you're done putting all the things that you want to put, you can just export it by coming to download over here. You just click on download, and then you can select what kind of format, file type that you are targeting. For this, we are going with PNG, but if you want, you can go with JPEG, PDF, or PDF print, or SVG, or if you are doing with video, you can save on MP4 or GIF file. Okay, so let's say we are going PNG, and the sizing still 500 by 500. You can customize the sizing if you want. You can select the pages. This one that we've just edited is on page 3, so you can unselect all pages and go straight to page 3. You can see the sample preview. You can say done, and then you can come all the way to download. Now this has just downloaded your logo, which is free of charge. You can see it over here, and you're free to kind of use it and copy it and paste it anywhere. With your content, within your YouTube channel, within your Facebook, or anywhere that has that particular specific dimensions, and you can use it that as your own logo. So this is basically how to design a very simple logo using Canva. Depending on your creativity, depending on your content, depending on your message, you can easily do design free of charge and upload to your content. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.